this is the correction to the assignment that I sent to you. All right, but you have tried. At least I have given you 50%, 50 over 100. Now the question says that two towns, all right, X and Y are 6 kilometers apart. Two towns X and Y are 6 kilometers apart. Now town Y is on a bearing of 70 degrees from X. All right. Now the third town W, are you getting me, is 8 kilometers from town Y on a bearing of 110 degrees. Now the question was to represent this in a diagram. All right. Now two towns X and Y, okay, are 6 kilometers apart. Now let's represent this first. You draw a 4 cardinal point. I told you earlier. Let me say this is my town X first. Let me say this is my town X. I draw something like this. I can call this my town X. This happens to be my town X rather. Okay. Now what you need to do is to locate your 70 degrees first, because it is said that the town X and Y are 6 kilometers apart. Now town Y is on a bearing of 70 degrees from X. Okay. Remember that I told you finding the bearings of a point from another point. So since town Y is on a bearing of 70 degrees from X, so that angle must be in X, because it is leading to another town which is Y. So that degrees, that bearings must be in the first town, which is town X. Are you getting me? So you are going to locate 70 degrees on a bearings of town X. Are you getting me? So if this is 90, if from here to here is 90, if this angle is 90, so you are going to fish out 70 degrees from here. That means the other side, which is 70, will be bigger than the other side. Are you getting me? So if this is 90, if this place is 90, I'm going to fish out 70 degrees from 90 degrees here. Remember the angle here, the total angle here in the right angle triangle is 90 degrees, because if I draw something like this happens to be my angle 90. Okay, so we see this as angle 90, even though that it is not drawn. Okay, so this is angle 90. So I'm fishing out 70 degrees from this angle 90. Now what I need to do is you draw a line. You draw a line from here like this. Are you getting me? You call this angle what? 70 degrees. So you are getting me now. You call this 70 degrees. Now what you need to do is to draw another line. You draw another line to meet there. You can call this your town Y. This is town Y. So you are getting me now. Now since we have located our 70 degrees from X, that is our town X. Now you go back to the question again to read. Now two towns X and Y are 6 kilometers apart. Now you come back and put the kilometer, the distance between X and Y. Now the distance between X and Y is what? Is 6 kilometers. Are you getting me now? Now you have through with that. Now town Y is on a bearing of 70 degrees from X. You have done that. Now we now go to the third town, which is the town W. Now the third town, are you getting me? The third town W is 8 kilometers from town Y on a bearings of 110. So that means we are going to locate the bearings of 110 in town Y, leading to the third town, which is town W. Are you getting me now? So let's locate 110 degrees in town Y, because it is leading to town W, which is the third town. Are you getting me now? So to locate here, I told you earlier that this is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, okay, that means 110 is above 90 degrees and it should be in the second quadrant, which is this place. So To locate 110 degrees, you say 90 degrees. What can be added to 110 to give you, what should be added to 90 degrees to give you 110 is 20. So if this place is 90, you are going to draw out 20 degrees from the second quadrant and add to angle 90, which will give you 110 degrees. Are you getting me? So that means you draw something like this from here to this place. Okay, that means this place is seen to be, the whole of this angle is seen to be 110 degrees. All right, this angle from here to here is seen to be 110 degrees because 90 plus 20 will give you 110 degrees. So you have located your bearings on down Y. So now remember that they told you that the third town W is 8 kilometers from town Y on the bearings of this. So if this is Y, that means this place is seen as the third town, which is town W. So you're going to draw something like this to meet up this. I'm going to draw like this. Okay, let me draw so that this will enter. I'm going to draw it like this to meet it. Are you getting me? So you are going to draw it to meet this line. This is town W. So remember the third town is 8 kilometers from town Y on the bearings of this. So this side is seen as what? 8 kilometers. So that is how to represent that in a diagram. It is very simple. Just that if you understand my previous lesson that I have sent to you, if you follow that this angle must not be in the first quadrant, it must be in the second quadrant, then you locate your angle 90, then you check how many angles can be added up to give you the required angle. You'll be able to fish out all these necessary informations so that you can plot your information in a diagram. It's very simple. So my next topic will be on polygons. All right, my next topic will be on polygons, and that should be I will start that topic next week. All right, thank you.